Tell me, pretty mama, why you stay out all night? Tell me, pretty mama, why you stay out all night? You got it on your mind, but you know you ain't treat me right. Look out. I'm mad. Just as mad as I can be. I don't like women to mess around on me. Ho, ho! She told me, and Papa too, they told me just how that a woman do. She'll stay out all night. She'll stay out all night. She'll stay all the night, coming when the sun's shining bright. Long time. My mama told me she was laying down asleep. Son, I thought you were creeping in your sleep. I said, no. I said, no. No. Things don't happen to me. She said, play it a while, lady. Cut up.